Hello students, today we will discuss the uses of simple present tense अर्थात simple present tense क्यों क्यों परिस्थिति रे व्यवहृत हब ता विषय रे आज आमे आलोचना करिया। एही व्यवहार गुड़िक जानिबा निहाती आवश्यक। प्रथम तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस व्यवहार गुड़िक मु आपन गोटी गोटी कहि दउची सुनନ୍ତୁ। द फर्स्ट यूसेज इज साधारण सत्य बा चिरंतन सत्य इन इंग्लिश एक्सप्रेस द जनरल ट्रूथ और यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ। फॉर एग्जांपल, honey is sweet, the sun rises in the east, clouds sail in the sky. These are all the examples of the general truth or universal truth. The usage number 2, scientific truth, वैज्ञानिक सत्य बा वैज्ञानिक तथ्यर परिप्रकाश। कौन? वाटर बॉइल्स at 100 degrees centigrade, oil floats on water, ice melts in the sun. These are some of the examples of scientific truth. Next, the mathematical truth, जोटा को हमें को गाणितिक तथ्य। 10 minus 3 is 7. What is the square root of 16? These are the examples of mathematical truth. सेमती भौगोलिक सत्य जाको हमें को geographical truth. The Mahanadi flows through Odisha. The Himalayas is in the north of India. These are the examples of geographical truth. Present truth, वर्तमान आपण जहाँ देखुचंती ताहा कहिए। आपण मतलब कौन देखुचंती? श्री नरेंद्र मोदी is the Prime Minister of India. Petrol cost ₹80 per liter. Habitual action और custom जो हम बहुत लोग पालना करते। My watch keeps good time. I get up early in the morning. People pray Goddess Durga in the Sera are some of the examples of habitual action and customs. Next, remember, exclamatory sentence beginning with here and there. Here comes the bus. There she goes. Heidi se asilani. Heidi se gallani. सेहीपरि रनिंग कमेंट्री पिला माने भली मन रखिया। आमे जो क्रिकेट मैच देखुचे जोटी कमेंटर माने धारा विवरणी दउचंती जदियो से घटनाटी ताके आखि आगे घटुची तथापि प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस व्यवहृत हो नाही, केवल सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस ही व्यवहृत हो। फॉर एग्जांपल मु कहूची, Afridi balls to Sachin and Sachin hits it for 4. Football match हेले कोन हो? Chiku passes the ball to Rinku to Sachin. Sachin backs to Rudra and Rudra shoots and it is a goal. Like this. Official arrangements. The train leaves at 5:20 a.m. The school opens 10 o'clock. Our exam starts next Monday. Like this. Fixed as per calendar. Fixed as per calendar. Calendar अनुसार सत्य. January has 31 days. Stative verbs. मैं आपको कहूँगी stative verb जो जाकर कि साधारणतः ing लागे नहीं. These stative verbs do not take progressive form of its own. Okay. Hear, see, smell, taste, notice, feel, belong, contain, own, possess, consist of, appear, seem, desire, had, love, hope, want, wish, think, believe, understand. Similarly, newspaper headlines. Sri Narendra Modi takes oath. Indian Army killed 10 terrorists. Like that. To express quotation, all the quotations are simple present tense. like necessity is the mother of invention, empty vessels sounds much, slow and steady wins the race. Dramatical presentation of a past thing or historical thing, ଅତୀତର ଐତିହାସିକ କଥାବସ୍ତୁକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଡ୍ରାମାଟିକାଲି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ କରିବା ତେବେ ଏ ଟେନ୍ସର ଗୋଟେ Rana Pratap now draws his sword and attacks the enemy. Like that. When the curtain rises, Macbeth is seen sitting on his throne. The other dramatization. ଯଦି କିଛି adverbs by adverbs କୋଉपर adverbs ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ always, hardly, often, usually, occasionally, every week, every day ଏଇଟା ଯଦି adverb କିମ୍ବା adverb ଅଛି ତେବେ ଆମେ simple present tense ଲେଖିବା. He always speaks the truth. What do you usually do on Sunday? These are some of the examples of adverbs. Talk about the writers and inventions. Radhamohan Ray is the Wordsworth of Odisha. Gitanjali is Tagore's best creation. How are the conditional clauses? Jati conditional clause general truth ପାଇଁ ତେବେ ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ E plus subject plus verb, comma subject plus verb. Example: if one hits iron, it expands. If I make a promise, I keep it. General truth. যদি conditional clause is in possibility, संभावना अर्थ ହେଇଥିବ structure ଅଛି E plus subject plus verb, comma subject plus shall, will, can, may thail verb. For example, if you give me blood, I will give you freedom. If it rains, I shall stay at home. Clear? ସେମିତି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଛି କୋଉଟା ଯଦି to express a present unfulfilled wish. For example, ମୁଁ କହିବି I am a teacher. ଯଦି ମୁଁ wish ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବି I wish I were not a teacher. Similarly, I am not a student. ଯଦି wish ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବି I wish I were a student. ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଥିଲେ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ହେବ, ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ଥିଲେ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ହେବ. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟର ଅନଫୁଲଫିଲ୍ଡ ୱିଶ୍. ସେମିତି ଯଦି କୌଣସି କାରଣ ଯଦି ପାଷ୍ଟର କୌଣସି ଘଟଣା କହିବାକୁ ଥିବ, ଘଟଣା ଅର୍ଥରେ ଘଟିଯାଇଥିବ, ତେବେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ୱିଶ୍ ଲଗାଇବା ତେବେ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ହେବ. ଯଦି ଘଟି ନଥିବ ତାକୁ ଯଦି ୱିଶ୍ କରିବା ତେବେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ହେବ. ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅତ୍ର ଘଟଣାଟି କହୁଛି I did not do my lesson. ଯଦି ମୁଁ ୱିଶ୍ରେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବି I wish I had done my lesson. আর সূত্র হচ্ছে I wish subject plus had plus verb. সেটা আউট নেবা I insulted him. Vishlakantu. I wish I had not insulted him. କୋଡ଼ିଏଟା ୟୁସେଜ୍ ବା ବ୍ୟବହାର ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଉପସ୍ଥାପିତ କଲି. ଏହାକୁ ଭଲରେ ମନେ ରଖିବ କାରଣ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସର ବ୍ୟବହାର ଜାଣିଲେ ହିଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ସୁବିଧା. ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ୟୁଆର୍ ସ୍କୁଲ୍, your father, your parents, your grandfather, your best friend, your school, your class teacher, your headmaster, policeman, postman. ये जितने ऐसे ए टाइप जितने ऐसे अच्छे इस रेनी सीजन कौन तो जितने सीजन अच्छे रेनी सीजन, विंटर सीजन ये सब जगह सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस रे लिखा है. ओके बेस्ट.